Meaning of fashion forward.
Fashion forward.
Fashion forward.
Fashion forward.
Fashion forward. Fashion forward is a term used to describe people or things that are ahead of current fashion trends. It denotes an individual or style that is innovative, daring, and willing to take risks with fashion choices. Being fashion forward means being aware of the latest trends and being able to predict future ones. It also implies a willingness to experiment with new styles and push boundaries in order to stand out. In short, being fashion forward means being a trendsetter rather than a follower.